So, good morning, students. Today we will be discussing some MCQs, okay, or rather we can say some questions related to our previous lecture, which was your PERT network diagram, or we can say network on network diagram, okay. And this is considered this as your suggestion also for your this upcoming internal assessment, okay. So we will be solving. See, these are the few questions. Acha, before that, okay, this way. See, before that, you need to submit. Okay, I have provided a slot in your Google Classroom. You need to submit your assignment here. Okay, here is the question. Here you need to submit your assignment within 6 p.m. today, so that I could check your question, check your answers, and return to you. Okay. Now, so let us start. See, this was the assignment which I have given in the or posted in the Google Classroom. Okay, so again, one by one, you all will take participate. Okay, you all will participate and answer these questions one by one. Okay, so we will see whether your concept is cleared or not. Okay, okay, then who is here? So first is Abir. Okay, so Abir, please answer this first question.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you can also note it down side by side. Okay. See,
Yes,
what is PERT analysis based on? Optimistic time, pessimistic time, most likely time, or all of the above? In PERT analysis, there are
ma'am. All of the above.
yes, all of the above, because while doing PERT analysis, this three time has to be provided to you. Okay, then only we can do further. We can further our procedure. Okay, for analysis. So this optimistic
Yes,
TO,
ma'am.
TP, and TM, all these things are required. So option D is correct option. Okay, everyone. Now next is your Akash Sen. Okay. Okay, Akash Sen, then Anish Kumar. Akash Sen, tell me the answer of second question. What is the critical path? It is a path that operates from the starting node to the end node, or it is a mixture of all the paths. It is the longest path. It is the shortest path. Which is the correct option? Akash?
Option C.
Yes,
It
it
is
is
the
the
longest part.
longest path. Yes, very good. Now, Anish Kumar, the shortest possible time in which an activity can be achieved under ideal circumstances is known as
Ma'am,
pessimistic.
option B. Option B.
B, option B,
Yes, ma'am.
optimistic, right? This is the lowest time, right? This TO or this optimistic time is the lowest. Okay, and in the middle will be your most likely, then the maximum possible time is the pessimistic. Okay. Okay, so option B is the correct option. Okay. Okay, now next is Ankush. Okay, Ankush, please
Yes, ma'am.
answer this question. Answer number question number 4. A PERT network
ম্যাম
is
আমি এক্ষুনি জয়েন করলাম ম্যাম, একটুখানি
okay.
টাইম
Okay.
দিন।
Okay, the next one is Arindam. Arindam. Okay, Arindam. Now tell me, a PERT network is activity oriented while the CPM network is event oriented. See, in the difference between PERT and CPM, I have given that one point. Okay, which one is activity oriented and which one is CPM oriented? Now tell me, this statement is true or false? Arindam.
True, ma'am.
True. Is it so, everyone? Other? The PERT network is activity oriented while the CPM network is event oriented. True or false? See?
Ma'am, CPM activity oriented.
Yes, CPM was your activity oriented, right? Yeah. Okay. See here, CPM was activity oriented and PERT is event oriented. Okay, so the option is, which one is correct then, Arindam? You said true. That is wrong option. Okay, see, PERT, here it is given PERT is activity oriented, but it is not true. Okay, PERT is event oriented, whereas CPM is activity oriented. So the correct option is false. Okay, so this statement is not correct, false. Okay, now next is Kuheli. Kuheli, okay, tell me this 5-number question. The difference between the maximum, see, read here, okay, the difference between the maximum time available and the actual time needed to perform an activity is known as free float, independent float, total float, half float. Which one? Float, we know, float is, as per the definition, float was time provided minus duration. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so now tell me, here it is
Ma'am,
written maximum time. Yes, tell.
ma'am, free float then. Maximum time minus
Hmm. Which one is the
actual
maximum float? Which one is
total float.
total float? Na? So time. So when this difference will be maximum, this is fixed. For all the float,
Okay,
this
ma'am.
value will be fixed. Okay. So when will be this maximum be maximum?
In total
Difference.
float.
Yes. When this time duration will be maximum, and we
Okay,
know
ma'am.
float is
Then
maximum independent. So total float is the
to,
maximum float. Okay. So option is
okay,
C.
ma'am.
Now next is, okay, Kuheli Raka. Now next Raka. Okay. Okay. Tell me this one. 6-number question. What, while scheduling a project by CPM, a project is divided into various activities. Required time for each activity is established. Sequence of various activity is made according to their importance, or all of the above.
All of the above, ma'am. All are
Yes,
correct.
yes. Because when we do this network diagram, we need to follow all this thing, right? So all of the above is the correct answer. Okay. Now next is Sanju.
ম্যাম আমাকে ধরতে পারেন।
Okay, তোমাকে Ankush.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
Okay, then tell me this one. See, in PERT analysis, the time estimate of activity and probability of their occurrence follows which distribution? See, please read this carefully. Okay, there will be 2 types of distribution. You may get confused. One is normal, one is beta. Okay, beta is for one type of parameter, and normal is for another type of parameter. Okay, so see here, in PERT analysis, the time estimate, so your parameter is the time estimate of the activity. Okay, so they are asking in the analysis, PERT analysis, the time estimate of activity and the probability of their occurrence follows which distribution? Normal, Poisson's, or beta?
I think, ma'am, beta
or none
distribution.
of? Yes, beta distribution. Okay, then what is the normal distribution? Well, then which parameter follows normal distribution? See, in our PERT, sorry, see, this is your normal distribution. Okay, and this curve is followed by the project duration. Okay, so the project duration follows normal distribution, but the time estimates, okay, that is the activity duration of activity, this is the project duration. Okay, whole project duration, whereas time estimate or the activity duration follows beta distribution in PERT analysis, and this project duration follows normal distribution. Okay, please remember this. So as per this question, our answer is beta distribution. Okay. Okay, now next is
ম্যাম অন্য কেউ অ্যান্সার দিয়েছিল, আমি দিইনি।
ও আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, তুমি বলো তাহলে। Now tell me, the critical activity has maximum float, minimum float, zero float, none of this.
ম্যাম জিরো ফ্লোট আমি যেটা জানি।
Yes, all the floats should be zero. Okay, if they will give you only the total float here, then also it should be zero. Okay, for activity all the float must be zero. Okay, so C option is correct. Now this thing you have to do, everyone, please do this one. Okay, this thing you need to do, everyone. not a single student, everyone. Okay, see here, consider a PERT network. Okay, for a sorry, for a project. Sorry, see, consider a PERT network for a project involving 6 tasks. Okay, see, task means activity. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, predecessors are given and the expected task time. This is your Tij. Since it is PERT network diagram, so this is not Dij. Okay, this is Tij, capital Tij, and it has been calculated. Okay, TO, TP, TM they have not provided, simply they have given Tij, directly they have given Tij value. So these are 30, 40, 60 like that. Okay, and the variance of the task, that is variance of each task, are given here. Now they have asked you what is the expected completion time of the project and what is the standard deviation of the critical path of the project. So first we need to find the critical path for this one. Okay, for the second question we need to find which is the critical path in this network diagram. Then they have asked you find the expected completion time of the project. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to draw this one, right? So can you draw, everyone? Please
Yes, ma'am.
use paper, pencil, whatever with you. Okay, and start drawing. See, first activity is your first, what we have to draw, we have to draw the tail event. Okay, which is the this one, starting event. Okay, then see here, A is independent. Why? It has no predecessor. Okay, so it will start separately. So this is our first activity. Okay, so draw first activity, suppose like this. Okay, A activity. Now see, B will start, B's predecessor is A. Okay, that means B will start when your A ends. So your A will end somewhere at this event. Suppose it is 2. Okay, so your B activity will start from where? From this event. Sorry, from this event. Okay, now your C activity will also start from which event? From where your A activity has finished. Okay, so your A activity finishes here, so start from here your C activity. Side by side, write down the Tij value and your notation also. Okay, so this is suppose B, this is suppose C. Now see, D activity will start from which event? Where your B ends. Okay, so this B will end somewhere here. So let us draw the event. Suppose that event is 3. Okay, now you are saying that D activity will start from this event. Okay, where this B activity completes, we will start our D activity. Okay, so suppose D. Okay, now see, your E activity will start. Okay, from which event? From that event where both your B and C activity ends. Okay, see here, B activity ends here, your C activity ends here. Okay, so if we join this B and C, if we join this B and C, will it be okay or not? If we join
It's wrong.
yes, it will be wrong because both B and C will have same starting and same finishing event. So that is not true. Okay, we cannot draw like that. So what we will do now, we will put one dummy activity. Okay, so our dummy activity, now see, your C will apparently it will finish here. Okay, why? Because it's a dummy activity, and draw this with dash dash line. Okay, let me draw with some other color, suppose red color. So this is a dummy activity. Okay, so here it will be, suppose, see, now which number we should put here and here? If we put 4, so it will be correct or incorrect? If we put 4 here and 3 here, will it be correct or incorrect? See, number
ইনকারেক্ট ম্যাম, ওপরে তো
yes,
কম আছে, নিচে বেশি হয়ে যাবে।
yes. So this will be changed to 4 and change this to 3. Okay, now it is satisfying that Fulkerson's rule. Now see, your F activity will E will start from where? where B and C will end. Okay, so this is your E activity. Okay, now they are telling where this F activity will start. Your F activity will start from where both E and D merge. See, again here it is your now what? It's kind of your dummy activity. See, it will start from here, both D and E are starting from this event. Okay, and again it is merging at one event. From there your F activity will start. Okay, so there again we cannot draw like that. So what we will do, we will now do one dummy activity. Okay, suppose like this. So your F activity will start from here. Okay, now this is your last event. Sorry. Okay, so this is your dummy activity. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7. So write down the values of your this durations. Okay, so this is your 30, B is your 40, C is your 60. Okay, then this is 0, dummy activity. D is your 25, E is your 45. Okay, then again dummy, and again this will be your 20. Okay, so this is your F activity. Now tell me what is the completion period. What is the completion period? Or we can say what is the expected completion time?
मैम 64 days.
64 तो नहीं है यहाँ पे.
Oh ना ना sorry मैम
See,
আমি
for project
অন্য
completion period, you need
हाँ
to
हाँ हाँ
find E values, right? You need to find E values.
हाँ
Okay,
हाँ
tell me this project diagram is correct or incorrect? A, okay.
correct मैम.
B and C, okay. Then comes D activity from here, and
Ma'am, 6 and 5.
acha, if we turn this here, okay, then we can start E from here. Okay, see, wait, we can do like this also. Okay, instead of this, D is starting from here. Okay, but now I will change this direction of your dummy activity. Okay, suppose it is going downward. See, B is coming finishing here. Oh no, why? Because this D will start from here only, otherwise D will also start from here. That was correct only. Okay, it is correct. Now tell me, what is the expected time? For that you need to calculate E values of all the events. Okay, E values. So first E value is 0. The first E value is your 0. Okay, then what is E2? What is E2?
30.
30. Okay, then which one we will solve? We will solve this. Okay, E4? 70.
मैम ऑप्शन बी মনে হয় রাইট आंसर.
Option B. So we will check. Okay, see, E4 is your 30, E2 plus 40, 70. Okay, now we will go to E3. Now tell me what is E3? 2 arrowhead. Okay, 2 arrowhead, that is from 2 and 4. So from 2 it is coming how much? 30 plus 60 is how much? 90.
9. Ma'am,
Okay.
100.
7 plus 4, this is 0. So this 100. 100 कहाँ से
No,
आया?
no, no.
90 तो.
Yes, ma'am.
90. 30 plus 60 is 90, and this is 70 plus 0, 70. So maximum is 90. Okay, so your E3 will be 90. Okay, now comes your E5. See, E5 is your 70 plus 25, so 95. Okay, 70 plus 25, 95. Now your E6 is how much? You please try it yourself. Okay, here it will be little bit messy. Now E6 will be your 70 plus 45. How much? 115, na? 115. And it is 95 plus 0, 95. Okay. So it is 115. Now here it is how much? E7. अच्छा 170 135 कहाँ से आ रहा है? अच्छा what is this? 20 plus 5 is 135 ना? Am I doing mistake or what? Please tell me. 60.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम
Background
ইভেন্ট
में
যে
जाते हो
সিটা
रहेगा.
আছে যেখানে সি শেষ হচ্ছে মানে বি
हाँ
থেকে যে
हाँ.
ডামি
Please repeat.
ম্যাম মানে ইভেন্ট সি যেখানে আছে
Event E 3.
3 হ্যাঁ ম্যাম ওখান থেকে যদি ই অ্যাক্টিভিটি স্টার্ট করি তাহলে তো আপনাকে আরেকটা ডামি অ্যাক্টিভিটি আঁকতে হবে না
No, your arrow is here, not this. Okay, arrow will be here only, not this one. Arrow will be here only.
ও ওকে ম্যাম
Why? Because see, if we put this arrow here, that means your B activity will end here. So D will come from here, right? In both the case, D
Yes,
and C will be like that only. There is something mistake here. Here only it is some mistake is going on. See, B if finish here, then D will start after B. Okay. E will start after B and C. Okay, if we draw this line here, we draw this line. Okay, if we draw this line here, from here to here, okay, then what happens? Here E will start from here. Okay, so E will start from here. Okay, if we do like this, then see, with practice we have to do all these things. See, right now we are facing some problems, right? So if we do practice, then it would be easier. Okay, start from the beginning. 1. Okay, now A, only one A. Okay, now B and C. Okay, B and C. Okay, so this is B, this is C, right? Now your D will start from event where this happens. Okay, now if we draw here this one, suppose this is your dummy activity. Okay, then here we can say our C activity will start from here. Okay, now or we can simply merge these two. I think your diagram will be like this now. So this is A, okay, this is B, this is C, this is dummy activity, this is D, this is E, and this is F. देखो तो, is it satisfying or not? Now put the values. Are you solving? Are you people solving?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
solve yourself, okay? Then it will be more clear. 40. This is 60. Okay, this is 0. Then D is how much? 25. then E is 45, then F is 20. Okay, now we will calculate E. So here E1 is 0. Okay, your E2 will be 30. Okay, now what is E3? E3 will be 70, right? কারোর আনসার এসেছে এর মধ্যে নাকি ভুল দিয়েছি আমি অপশনটাই? কারোর অপশন
ম্যাম
এসেছে?
অপশন বি 155 এসছে।
155.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 30 plus 60 90, 70 0, so it will be 90. Okay, अब यहाँ से कितना आएगा? E6 डायग्राम की ऐसा ही निकले तुम लोग का ना? আগেটা
ma'am.
যেটা ছিল সেটা করেছিলে, पहले वाला डायग्राम से बनाया? कैलकुलेशन भूल हो गया क्या वहाँ पर?
हाँ मैम 155
Yes, ma'am. 155.
Which diagram, this or previous one?
This one, ma'am. 155.
अच्छा,
अच्छा।
70, so this will be 95. Very good, very good. So 90 plus 45 will be how much? 135 na? So 135 is the correct answer. Okay, so 135, E7 will be 155. Yes, yes. So E7 will be 135 plus 20, 155. Okay, very good. So correct answer is 155. Okay, so like this they may ask you. Okay, and now they're telling find the critical path, standard deviation of the critical path. Okay, so among this path, which is the critical, we have to find that activities, that path first. So tell me which is the longest path in this diagram. Which path gives you the longest duration? One path is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to
3 to
6,
6.
and another is 6 to 7. Okay, another path is your 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 7. Okay,
ম্যাম ইকুয়াল তো দুটোই,
huh?
দুটো
From
পাথই তো ম্যাম
1
ইকুয়াল।
to 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7. কোনটা পাথ? Which path? 1 to 2,
Ma'am,
ये वाला
1
का कितना है ड्यूरेशन? So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 7, what is the duration? 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 25, 95, 95 plus 20 is 115.
115.
115. Okay, and for this, what is the duration? So 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 0, 70, 70 plus 45, 95, 95 plus 20, 115. Right? अब बचा कौन सा? ये वाला. Okay, so 1 to 2 is 30, 30 plus 60 is 90, 90 plus 45, 135, 135 plus 20 is 150.
150.
So longest path is this one, right? ये वाला है longest path. यहाँ से 1 to 2, 2 to 3, sorry 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7, right? Clear? Because it is giving the largest duration, which is 155. So this is our critical path. Okay, so this is our critical path. Okay, now see what are the activities in this path. What are the activities in this path? क्या क्या activities है देखो. एक है 1 to 2. Okay, so use only 1 to 2 is which activity? 1 to 2 कौन सा activity? See, A activity. So this is your critical activity. Okay, again 2 to 4, which activity? 2 to 4 is C activity. Now 4 to 6, which activity? 4 to 6 is E activity. Okay, and 6 to 7 is your F activity. So your critical activities are A, C, E and F. Okay, now for calculating the standard deviation, we need to calculate the standard deviation of critical activities only. Okay, so standard deviation, we know standard deviation is nothing but the under root of variance. Okay, under root of variance. So take under root of this take under root of this, take under root of this, take under root of this, okay, and square it. Okay, so this will give us sigma A, this will give us sigma C, this will give us sigma E, and this will give us sigma F. Okay, then what we will do? Standard deviation formula. What was the formula? Anyone? What is the standard deviation formula? Standard deviation formula of critical activity. Sigma Cp was what? Under root of summation of sigma square of which activity? Critical activity. Okay, so here it will be sigma A square plus sigma B, not B, A, C, and E and F. Okay, these are the activities, critical activities. So sigma C square plus sigma E square plus sigma F square. Okay, so what are these values now? These are nothing but the, see, this was the sigma. Okay, these are the sigma value. So sigma square is what? 25 only. So this value is sigma square will give us how much? Under root 25 whole square is nothing but 25 only. So 25 plus 81 plus 36 plus 9. And tell me what is the value. So this is your standard CP, sigma CP.
12.28.
No, under root, what is the summation? 25 plus 81 plus 36 plus 9?
151.
151. Okay, so see, the correct option is this one. Okay, so standard deviation of critical path is this, and the time duration is this one. Clear? Okay, see, variance they have given. So first calculate standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation is variance is under root variance, that is under root 25. See, so it will be 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3. So this standard deviation of A is 5, standard deviation of C is 9, standard deviation of E is 6, and standard deviation of F is 3. So we know sigma Cp is sigma A square plus sigma C square plus sigma E square plus sigma F square. Okay, so sigma F square. So here we can write 5 square plus 9 square plus 6 square plus 3 square. Okay, so these are nothing but 25 plus 81 plus 36 plus 9. So answer, it is coming as 151, under root 151. See, this is the correct option. Okay, now let us solve. Okay, another question. See here, the project activities, predecessor, relationship, everything is given. Among this, they have asked you what is the critical path. Again, what you have to do, just see whether this path exists or not. Okay, first path exists or not, tell me. First path, it exists or not? See the predecessor relationship. See, P, so R's predecessor should be P. So R's predecessor is P. So this exists, this activity exists. Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
Now,
exist.
R to
Total.
T. T's predecessor is R. So T's predecessor is R. This also exists. Now T to V. That is V's predecessor is T. V's predecessor is T. So this exists. Okay. So like this, first find out which activity or which path exists or does not exist. Then simply calculate the durations. Okay. Take the summation of all the durations in that present in that path. Okay. So this exists. Now what is the duration? Tell me. What is the duration of this path? Simply whatever activities are there, take the sum. See, P is there, this exists. So okay, so we will find duration. So P duration is 3, R duration is 5, T duration is 7, and V duration is 2.
17.
So 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2, 17. Okay, so first duration you got the answer, 17. Now tell me this path exists or not?
Exist, ma'am.
Exist. See, S
Yes, ma'am.
predecessor is Q. See, S predecessor is Q. Okay. T's predecessor is S. T's predecessor is S. V's predecessor is T. V predecessor is T. So this activity exists. Okay. So this also exists. Now the duration of Q is how much? 4. Okay. So 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2. So what is the answer? 4 plus 5 plus
18.
by 2, 18. Right? Right. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
7 is
Yes, ma'am.
16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, so this duration is 18. Now tell me this one exists or not.
Exist, ma'am.
First is 17, first is 18, second is 18. Now this exists or not. See, P is R's predecessor is P, okay. U's predecessor is R, okay. W's predecessor is U, okay. So this also exists. So P is how much? 3. R is how much? 5. U is how much? 5. W is how much? 10. So 10,
23.
23. Okay, so 17, 18, 23. Till now, 23. Now tell me this exists or not? S predecessor is Q, exists.
Exist,
Exist,
ma'am.
ma'am.
U predecessor is S, exists. W, okay. Now what is the, so all the path exist. In many questions they will give you that part which does not exist. Okay, so now tell me what are the durations. So Q is 5, okay. Q is 5, then S is 5, 10, then U is 2, 12, then it is 10. So 10, 22, right? So this is 22,
ম্যাম
this is
24 তো
ম্যাম 24
হ্যাঁ, ma'am,
ফার্স্ট এ 4 আছে
কোনটা 4?
ম্যাম কিউ তো
Q,
4
ma'am.
আচ্ছা ও আচ্ছা yes 24. Okay, wait. So 4 plus 5 9 plus 5 so 26 to na.
ইয়েস
So
ম্যাম 26
24. Q S U W 24. So longest path is this one. Okay, so this is the critical path. This was 17, this was 18, this was 23, this is 24. The longest path is the critical path, so this is your answer. Okay, so you have to do it a little bit faster. Okay, now see, I will explain this one. Okay, the free float for any activity is defined as the difference between which one. Okay, for that you have to see the types of float. So as per the definition, see, for total float these two things are required. Okay, this is earliest start time and the latest completion time. Okay, see the definition. See here, for free float it should not affect earliest start time of the successor. Okay, and for independent float it should not affect earliest start time successor as well as latest finish time of the predecessor. Okay, so now tell me with the help of the definition which one is the correct option. Free float of any activity is defined as the difference between see, for free float difference is what? See, EJ minus EI minus DIJ. Okay, now tell me which is the correct option. EJ minus EI minus DIJ, which is the correct option for free float?
ফার্স্ট ওয়ান
Yes, the first one. Okay, now tell me for this which is the correct option. Expected time formula. TIJ formula.
ম্যাম সি
Yes, C. Okay, very good. Now see, using the same formula you need to calculate most likely time. See, activity, for an activity optimistic time is TO is 17, pessimistic time is 12, TP is 12, expected time that is TIJ is 16. So what is most likely time? Okay, so you need to calculate using same formula. TO is given, TP is given, and TIJ is given. They have asked you what is TM. Okay, so you can do it simply. This one you will do, you will solve, I will see. Okay, now tell me this answer. The relationship between the three float is the correct option. Bolo?
বি
B, yes. Total float will be maximum, then free float, then independent float. Okay, see here in this question, for this question I am taking TO plus 4TM plus TP by 6 is equals to TIJ. Okay, so here TIJ is how much? TIJ is 16 days. Okay, so this is given. TO is how much? 17 days. This is also given. TP is how much? 12 days. It is also given. So only TM is not given. Use this formula and calculate TM. Okay, your answer will be something here. Okay, 60.75. Now, next question, pick up the correct statement. Which is correct? The difference of the latest occurrence time and the earliest expected time is called the slack. The critical path consumes maximum time. The activities connecting the events have zero slack, lie on the critical path, or all of the above.
All of the above, ma'am.
Yes, all of the above. Why? Because slack, we know slack is what? L minus E, right? See, latest minus earliest start time. Okay, critical path, maximum time, activity connecting. As I said, this is your activity, the event, this is your another event. Okay, here should be zero slack. If zero, if for this event also it is zero, then only we can say that this activity is the critical activity. Okay, so third option is this one only. So all of the above is correct. Okay. Now tell me this one. Most likely time is always greater than optimistic, lesser than pessimistic, both A and B, or none of this. For this, what was the relationship between TO, TM, and TP? Which is greater? Which is greater? Among this, which is the largest value?
TP, ma'am. TP.
TP, right? So it will be like this only. Okay, now see, TM is always greater than TO and it is lesser than TP. So both are correct. Okay.
Mhm.
Now for this, tell me. Free float formula you have to remember. Okay, see, this thing has been given to you. They're asking what is the free float. Okay. Now what was the definition? Free float. So this is the formula. EJ minus EI minus DIJ. Okay. Now tell me what is the value of free float.
2.
Yes, free float is equals to, see, EJ is how much? EJ is 8, EJ minus EI is 6. Okay, so 6 minus DIJ is 4. So EJ minus EI minus DIJ gives us 2. Okay, so 2 is the free float. Now see here, critical path of the network is which one? This one I have already solved in the class. You go through it and try to answer it. Okay, this thing. Same. First, identify which path exists or doesn't exist. Then if they exist, then simply add their durations of all the activities. At the duration, take the longest duration as the critical path. Okay, same like the previous one. Now tell me this one, the time by which activities completion time can be delayed without affecting the start of the succeeding activities.
Independent flow.
No. See, it doesn't affect start of the successor, right? So free float. Okay. So please go through the definitions as well. Okay. So answer will be free float. Now, which one of the following is not the characteristics of PERT network? It is event based. True or false? It is event
True, ma'am.
True.
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 It follows probabilistic approach. Yes. Right. Probabilistic approach. It is used for repetitive project.
No, ma'am.
No, it is used for new projects, right? Non-repetitive projects. So this is incorrect only. Okay, so this is not the characteristic, whereas it is used for correct time estimates. Okay, we know we do here time, we give focus on the time. Okay, now same questions like previous. For an activity, TO is given, TP is given, TM is given. They are asking expected time, that is TIJ. Okay, simply use the formula TP plus 4TM plus TP TO divided by 6 will give you TIJ. Okay, you do this and calculate. Now last is your, a project consists of 7 activities. See here, it consists of 7 activities. The network along with the time duration in days, these are the days given to you. This I have already solved in the class. Okay, the minimum time for completion of the project is, simply find all the activities, or you can simply find E values. Okay, simply calculate E values. So after calculating E, the last E value will give you the project duration. Okay, so like this you can easily do. So this will be E0, then calculate this one, and lastly whatever E value will come for E6, that will be your project duration. Okay, now in PERT, activity times are, which is correct? Deterministic, probabilistic following a particular distribution, non-deterministic, probabilistic, or stochastic? Which option? Input activity times are
Ma'am, option B.
yes, it follows, as I said, time estimates, it follows beta distribution, right? Whereas project duration, it follows your normal distribution. Okay, so it is probabilistic following the particular distribution. So this is your correct option. Okay, okay, then it's complete. You other problems you need to solve, okay, and do practice and submit
ম্যাম
it
এগুলো
here.
কি অ্যান্সার গুলো লিখে জমা দিতে হবে?
Yes, yes, yes. See, I have given assignment to there. Okay,
ও ওকে
there
ম্যাম।
you need to submit. See here. See here. This is an assignment. You need to submit here. Okay.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
We'll
ma'am.
stop here. Okay. Welcome.
থ্যাংক
Thank
ইউ
you,
ম্যাম।
ma'am.
Hmm.